the LG V20 user here, and today will be no video but the Nokia 8B 5G for Verizon Wireless. So this is a new phone for Verizon Wireless. This is for the postpaid service. So yeah. So the Nokia 8B is the same phone as the Nokia 8.3 5G. So yeah. So it's available now in meteor gray, 64 gigabytes of storage. You have a few promo options. You can trade in your old phone and get $206 off. If you guys want to trade in, and the device must be in good condition, and you must have a knowledgeable plan required for that. Upgrading and get up to $250 of upgrading, get $250 off a trade to good condition device and eligible plan required for that. The Nokia 8B is $20 a month for 24 months, or $699.99 for retail price. So, not too bad. So yeah, this is what the phone looks like. So you do have your whole phone, your front facing camera. Your volume key is on the right side of the phone. So your power button's on the right side of the phone. I think your power button's right here. And this is like a Google Assistant key or something. So yeah. This is the front of it. The left side there. You have this button here. I'm not sure if it's probably a Google Assistant button. Probably it is. On the back of the Nokia 8B, you do have 4 cameras, I believe. I think so. 4 cameras. Camera flashes right here. There's ice camera lenses on the back here. You have your Nokia logo and the Verizon 5G logo on the back. So pretty nice. Then the right side there's a power and volume keys. Then what the hell is this up here? I don't know. Your power button right there. So yeah. So the Nokia 8B has 3.9 inches of width, 6.76 inches of height, 48 hours of usage time, 64 megapixel quad camera sub in the rear, 24 megapixel front facing camera, 14 days of standby time. So pretty nice there. So it says here, meet the Nokia 8B 5G, a smartphone outfitted with cutting edge technology for the next level performance. Shoot sharp, smooth video and photos, even in low light conditions with the Pure View quad camera. Create and edit like a pro on the edge-to-edge 6.81 inch display, and unlock all the possibilities with ultra-fast 5G speeds for streaming, gaming, and sharing in the time. Do more of what you love with a long-lasting battery that lets you go all day and night. Now with the coverage of 5G nationwide and the unprecedented performance of 5G ultra wideband. So pretty nice there. Don't miss another moment. Whether you are chasing a busy toddler or crossing the finish line, you can record all the action looking footage that minimizes blur. Action cam stabilizes your video for smooth and high quality video, and no worries if recording outside with noise cancellation, with superior audio quality no matter the conditions. To the future and beyond with 5G, ultra-fast 5G and ultra-low means you can stream 4K movies in seconds and for pro-level gaming while on the go, and share more in real time. Powered by the Snapdragon 765 5G mobile platform for seamless responsive experience. This display brings it all to life. Creators, gamers, and vendors watchers, this is the display you've been waiting for. This is offering all your favorite content on the immersive 6.81-inch screen. Pure display continuously adjusts with contrast and brightness thanks to Pixelworks visual processor to enhance video and immersive gaming. And always on HDR, all your photos and videos will be in breathtaking color. Sleek, stylish, and state-of-the-art. Cutting-edge material, next-level technology, and a sleek, ergonomic design all in the palm of your hand. Easy to unlock with the touch of your finger for secure phone access, and with front and back 3D rotor glass and a fiber reinforced polymer frame. The Nokia 8V 5G is built to withstand life's little mishaps. Battery that won't quit. Game, stream, share, and more without worry. The Nokia 8 5G has a long-lasting 4,500 mAh battery, so you can do more, share more, and experience more all on a single charge. So that's nice. Customizable assistant. So that's what that left key is. It is your Google Assistant key, so pretty sweet right there. Just check the water, get the latest news, and noteworthy updates the way you want, when you want. The programmable assistant button is fully customized, so you can plan, schedule, and always be in the know, and your assistant learns on the job. So the more you use it, the more it customizes to your needs. So pretty cool there, pretty cool and convenient. So the specs on this Nokia 8 5G here, your dimensions are 3.9 inches width, 6.76 inches height, 0.35 inches depth, and the frame is 8.1 ounces. Usage time of 48 hours. You do have 4 cameras in the back at 64 megapixels. I'm not sure what the megapixels are. And then you have a 24 megapixel front-facing camera. Looking at standby time, 6.81 inch HD display, that's Full HD plus 1080 by 2400, 20 by 9 aspect ratio, 286 PPI, 4500 mAh battery, and 10, 1 TB micro SD, 60 watts of RAM, and 64 watts of storage. That's like I'm calling about this one, and that's the internal storage. It's 64 gigabytes. That's like kind of low. If it was 1.8 gigs, it'd be worth it. I mean, this phone looks nice and everything. Has pretty great specs for what it is. But the internal storage could be a bit better at 1.8 gigs. I'm just saying. So that's like the only con about this one. Is that it has 64 gigabytes of storage. I wish it had 128 though, but it's still overall a good phone, right? So you have your hearing aid there, NVIDIA 4G, 5G processor, Snapdragon 765G, Wi-Fi 82.11, APG and the legacy Google Assistant, also HD voice. HD voice lets you experience HD voice video call and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and with calls when you get a Wi-Fi connection. Also, you do get 4G on this one as well. You get XLTE. Is that even still a thing? Probably it is. But what that does is double our 4G LTE bandwidth in cities with coast to coast. Also has LTE Max as well, with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 456 from coast to coast. So all devices works in over 200 countries, so pretty nice there. So if you guys need help with your Nokia 8 5G smartphone, Verizon has you covered. So it says Verizon Mobile Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So check it out if you guys need help on how to set up your phone and use different features of the phone. So device support is great too. So what comes in the box is your charger, cable, protective foil over the screen, I guess. Okay. So they got a security seal, I'm not sure security seal, I'm not sure what that is. Some pen sticker, some card, quick start guide, both in English and Spanish. I say yes. Product safety. Okay. So yeah, I think it has the Type-C charging. I think so, yeah. So, there you guys have the Nokia 8B. It's now here at Verizon Wireless. It's available now for $699.99 for a retail price, exclusively with your storage. The only comment I say about this one is that the internal storage is a bit low. I wish it had 128 gigabytes of storage for $700. And like the only thing that's on the back is the internal storage. But this is like a mid-range, it's like a high-end mid-range smartphone, borderline flagship phone here. So this is a nice looking phone, but the internal storage is a bit low at 64 gigs. If it was 1.8 gigs, this one would definitely be worth it. So if you guys want to check this phone, that's available now at Verizon Wireless. $699.99 for a richer price of $20 a month. For 24 months. This has 5G, of course, and yeah, it's worth checking out if you guys are interested in it. So there you guys have the Nokia 8B 5G at Verizon Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys want to please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching that video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.